Hey everybody, I'm Rob Freeman, and today we're talking about the cost of cyber liability insurance. And so if you've ever wondered what cyber liability insurance costs, these are 5 factors that you can consider that will have an impact on the cost of your cyber liability insurance. The 5 factors are the type of insurance, the limits of insurance, the type of business that you have, the size of your business, and the security of your business, or how secure is your business environment. And there are actually other factors involved as well, but those are kind of the big ones to focus on. And you'll see when you fill out an application for cyber insurance that these are the types of things that the underwriter is trying to get information on. So number one, an example of number one would be the first party or third party cyber liability insurance coverage. Do you want first or third party or both? If you have any business really doing business touching the internet today, you probably have exposure for both first and third party cyber liability. An example of first party cyber liability coverage would be ransomware. If your business was hit with a ransomware attack, the first party coverage would pay the ransom. An example of third party cyber liability coverage would be in a data breach. The cyber insurance would pay for the cost of notification of the customers, or it might pay legal costs if you were sued. The second thing is the amount of coverage, or the limits. If you only need $1 million of cyber liability, you'll pay less than you would if you needed 5 or 10 or 25 million. The third thing is the type of business that you have. If you collect customer data or you process credit cards, then you are collecting one of 3 or maybe all 3 types of data that cyber liability insurers want to measure. The first is PII, or personally identifiable information. The second is PHI, or personal health information. And the third is PCI, or payment card industry data. And if you collect any of those, you have cyber exposure, third-party cyber exposure. The fourth thing I mentioned is the size of your business. If you do business with only a few hundred customers a year, you'll have less exposure than you would if you are working with millions of customers. And the fifth thing is the security of your business environment. If you are doing business with end-to-end encryption and your website is HTTPS and SSL secure, and all of your employees are trained to spot phishing emails, and you use 2-factor authentication with all of your passwords and accounts, those are just some examples of the types of things that the underwriters want to see when they're underwriting a cyber liability risk. So these are all factors that will affect the cost of your cyber liability insurance. If you have questions about cyber liability insurance or anything related to your business insurance, please schedule an appointment with me. I love answering your questions, and I hope this was helpful. And thanks again, and have a great day.